Are you ready to start? If you've decided to start now, you have to provide value and keep going no matter what. There will be times where you will feel tired, discouraged, and not able to continue. This is the reason you need to. Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to start a business without money, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. How do you start your own business when you have no money? It's very simple. You get a job. There is nothing wrong with that. It doesn't matter what job you get, you need to earn some money first. Why is that? You wanna eat properly, take care of yourself, or invest in some book or online course to improve yourself, so you need money. Once I was in call center for a specific company and doing everyday calls, calling people and offering services. And I didn't like it as much, but it got me started, and that's the most important thing. Take action, get a job, and start making some progress. If you wanna learn new skills or improve some of them, you can't just watch videos all day and do nothing about it. You have to realize you need to get some money before you start. So, what is the right thing for you? Get a job, and in your spare time, you can develop some kind of skill that will earn you money later. I understand that, Patrick, but I wanna get started now. If you have an idea and you want to start a new business now, here is what you do. First, choose something you are good at, something that you have passion for. Second, go to Facebook and create a Facebook fan page, or start a YouTube channel, or start an Instagram, but pick just one platform. Then, start creating content around your favorite topic. If you are into photography, for instance, start creating content around that. Is there something you should pay attention to? There are several things I want to mention before you start doing this. Many people get excited and they have high expectations. They want to get from where they are to a millionaire overnight, and it is not possible. You have to realize that it takes time, so you need to be patient. Next thing, nobody is perfect. So if you don't know something, you can always Google it or watch some video on YouTube. There is a lot of free content in your favorite niche, and you can always learn more. Be creative. When you were a little child, you were always creative and came up with all these brilliant ideas. Apply this now and start being a creator, not a consumer. If you want to start a business, you have to stop consuming and start creating. You have to add value to people and help them to solve their problems. So start creating helpful content and build an audience. Next important thing you should know is to be consistent. Are you ready to start? If you've decided to start now, you have to provide value and keep going no matter what. There will be times where you will feel tired, discouraged, and not able to continue. This is the reason you need to pick something you are passionate about, and you have to have reasons why you want to get from where you are to where you want to be. But remember that it all starts with the first step, and you have to take a step at a time. It's like if you are driving 1000 miles from one place to another. All you need to see is just few meters ahead, and eventually you get to your final destination. This is the same. You take it slowly, step by step, and do not expect to get there overnight. It takes time, so you have to be patient. If you have high expectations, you can be easily discouraged and quit whatever you start doing. Start from the bottom. There is nothing wrong with that. And if you are persistent, you will eventually achieve your dreams. I will give you several examples of businesses you can start now for free. You can adjust them as much as you want, but I want to share them with you so you get the idea. First, publishing a book. You can write a story. Something that happened to you. It can be positive or even sad, something that has lots of emotions involved. There are lots of ordinary people just like you who wrote a story filled with emotions and sold millions of copies and became millionaires. You can go to kdp.amazon.com and then publish your story for free and start making money that way. In addition, you can make a print copy of your book, and every time someone purchases the book, you get a commission. Amazon even handles printing and shipping for you. Second, start a YouTube channel. This is one of the best ways to start a business for free. You can start creating content around your favorite niche and slowly build an audience which will love you and support you. Third, create an online course in something you are interested in. This is actually a great way to start making some passive income. For instance, if you are into photography, you can create a course called Photography for Beginners. Structure it and make it easy to follow. Then you can publish your course on Udemy or teachable.com. Those are all ideas you can start working on. I would recommend to pick just one and stick to it so you don't get overwhelmed. As you start earning more money, you can quit your job and make this your full-time income. You will have more time to spend with your family or friends. You can start traveling and do different activities you always wanted to try. Don't just dream and watch these videos, but take action starting now. Remember to baby step the process and to be patient and persistent. Your dreams will only become reality when you start acting on them. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.